So if let's say I want to rename this file, or let me just use sequence. Maybe you already have the sample ID, you want to rename it. You can just say mv. It's basically the same thing. So if, yeah, so this is my current working directory. So if let's say I want to rename it and place it in the same directory, so that's why we do mv sequence.txt, and then I can say maybe sample 23.txt. So this time if I do an ls, I'm not going to find sequence.txt, I'll find sample 23.txt because I have renamed it. So first we moved and renamed, but now we are just renaming it. So that's how we rename files. Okay, and then directories. Let's also try to rename this directory. So to rename directory, I can just say mv variant colon, let's say variants. So if I do an ls, I'm going to find variants. So that has also been done. Okay, so this is how we rename directories.